15th week vocabulary. Humbly, humbly, vinayanga. She accepted the award humbly. She accepted the award humbly. Laughing stock, నవ్వులాస్పదం. Laughing stock, నవ్వులాస్పదం. His funny hat became the laughing stock of the party. His funny hat became the laughing stock of the party. Cursed, cursed, నిందించెను. The team was cursed and lost every game. The team was cursed and lost every game. Spared, spared, తప్పించుకొనెను. The city was spared from the floods. The city was spared from the floods. Faint, faint, స్పృహ కోల్పోవు. She felt faint after standing up too quickly. She felt faint after standing up too quickly. Day 2, first one. Hurriedly, hurriedly, తొందరగా. She hurriedly packed her bag to catch the bus. She hurriedly packed her bag to catch the bus. Encased, encased, చుట్టుకొనెను. Encase, చుట్టుకొనెను. The phone was encased in a waterproof cover. The phone was encased in a waterproof cover. Chasing, third one. Chasing, వెంటాడు. The police were chasing the suspect. The police were chasing the suspect. Despair, despair, నిరాశ. After losing her job, she felt despair about her future. After losing her job, she felt despair about her future. Fifth one. Gazing, gazing, తదేకంగా చూడడం లేదా అదే విధంగా చూడడం. She spent hours gazing at the stars. She spent hours gazing at the stars. Day 3, first one. Crawled, crawled, పాకుట. The baby crawled across the floor. The baby crawled across the floor. Second one. Clutched, clutched, పట్టుకొనెను. She clutched her purse tightly. She clutched her purse tightly. Third one. Amidst, amidst, నడుమ, మధ్య. She found peace amidst the disorders of her busy life. She found peace amidst the disorders of her busy life. Tumbling, tumbling, దొర్లుట. Tumbling, దొర్లుట. The ball was tumbling down the stairs. The ball was tumbling down the stairs. Bravery, bravery, ధైర్యం. He showed bravery during his illness. He showed bravery during his illness. Day 4, first one. Grateful, కృతజ్ఞత. Grateful, కృతజ్ఞత. She was grateful for her friends' support. Second one. Grabbed, పట్టుకొనెను. He grabbed the rope to pull himself. He grabbed the rope to pull himself. Parachute, గొడుగు వంటి పరికరం. Parachute. The skydiver used a parachute. The skydiver used a parachute to land safely. Fourth one. Glide, గాలిలో నెమ్మదిగా కదులు. The eagle glided effortlessly through the sky. The eagle glided effortlessly through the sky. Fifth one, breeze. Breeze. Challani gali. We enjoyed the gentle breeze on the beach. We enjoyed the gentle breeze on the beach. Day 5, 7th class. Tickled. Tickled. చక్కిలి గింతలు పెట్టెను. The kids were tickled by the silly jokes. The kids were tickled by the silly jokes. Second one, bruises. Bruises. గాయాలు. He had bruises on his face after the fight. He had bruises on his face after the fight. Thorn. Thorn. ముల్లు. She carefully removed the thorn from her finger. She carefully removed the thorn from her finger. పోకుడు. గుచ్చుకొను. పోకుడు. గుచ్చుకొను. She poked her brother with her finger to tease him. Frantically. Frantically. విపరీతంగా. He searched frantically for her list keys. He searched frantically for her list keys. ఇక్కడ లిస్ట్ కాదు, లాస్ట్ రావాలి. LOST, లాస్ట్ కీస్.